Dear students, as you all know that I am your maths teacher from Paramount Public School Jima. Today we will continue our class 7th next topic, mathematical sign conventions. This topic is related with all the classes. I know beta you have studied this topic in your previous classes, but still there is need to remind it to you. So I am starting the topic. Now beta, sign conventions are specially two types. First, under multiplication or division. Under multiplication and division. Now beta, if you multiply a positive number with a positive number, then your final answer will be a positive number. As I already explained you, if you multiply a positive integer with a positive integer, then your final answer will be a positive integer. And if you multiply a negative number with a negative number, again your final answer will be a positive number. And if you multiply a negative number with a positive number, or a positive number with a negative number, then your final answer will be a negative value. As already I explained, in the multiplication or division of integer, if the integers are of same sign, then your final answer will be a positive, and if your integers are of opposite sign, then your final answer will be negative. This property not specially hold for integer, it hold for all the numbers. Especially beta, similarly in division you can proceed. Similarly in the division these properties hold. Okay. Now beta, your second sign conventions are very important. Under addition and subtraction. Under addition and subtraction. Okay beta. First sign convention, if you add two numbers, both numbers are positive, like A is any number and B is any number, then your final answer will be a positive number, no doubt about that. And second sign convention beta, if you subtract two numbers, like A and B are two numbers, you are subtracting B from A, then your final answer may be a negative value or maybe a positive value, depending upon the condition. For example, if here A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3, then 4 minus 3, you all know that 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And if here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4, then beta what will be the answer? It will not equal to 1. It will be equal to minus 1. How is it possible beta? Now look here. Your A is equal to 4. B is equal to 3. Which is greater? 4 is greater than 3. You have to write the sign of greatest number. What is the sign of 4 here? Plus. Sign of 4 here is plus. So your final answer will be a positive value. Now here A is 3, B is 4. Clearly 4 is greater than 3. Okay beta. And but here the sign of 4 is minus. So you will write here minus. Understood, beta? Which number is greatest? You have to write the sign of those number. Understood, beta? Very important sign convention. Or he can write this sign convention in another way. There is also a second way to write in the question. You will see that sign convention in the form like he will write minus b plus a. Now beta, here you will think what to do. We will do minus or we will do plus. Okay. Here beta, you will not add these numbers. You will subtract these numbers. You will perform here subtraction. You will perform here subtraction. But take care about the sign. Sign will be of a greatest number. If 4 means if B is greatest than A, then sign will be a negative, and if A is greater than B, then sign will be positive. Clear, beta? And third sign convention, if both numbers are negative, like minus A, then you will not subtract these numbers. You will add these numbers. You will perform here addition. But sign will be negative, minus. For example, if you have two numbers minus 5, minus 2, then clearly beta 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. But sign will be a negative. Clear? Take care about this sign convention. If two numbers are in minus, you will perform addition. You will not perform subtraction. But sign will be a negative. Okay, beta? How is it possible? I am explaining. Actually, this question in that form. If you will take minus common from here, then clearly 5 will become plus and 2 will also become plus. 5 plus 2, 7. And sign minus will be here. But you have not need to go there. Simply keep in mind, if two numbers are in negative, you will perform addition, okay, but sign will be negative. And if one number is negative, one is positive, you will perform subtraction, and sign will be the sign of a greatest number. Clear, beta? These are the important sign conventions. Now I am giving sum for the practice. You try these sum, then you will perfect in the sign conventions. Solve. Your first question is very easy. 4 plus 3. Second, minus 5 plus minus 2 is equal to dash. Your third question, minus 4 minus 3 is equal to. Fourth question, minus 3 multiply minus 4 is equal to. Fifth question, minus 5 multiply 10 is equal to. Sixth question, minus 8 minus 7 minus 9 is equal to. Your seventh question, minus 8 plus 2 is equal to. And your last question, minus 2 plus 8 is equal to. Okay? Better try these questions by using the sign conventions I have discussed in this video. Try by yourself so that you can do next exercises, next topics very easily. Thank you, beta.